going to show you how to do your own treat bags for the holiday season. You can of course buy the Ziploc bags. They're a little bit pricey, and I usually don't like the designs. I don't typically go for the traditional holiday green, and definitely not red. My least favorite color. But these are sandwich bags that we got at a discount store. They are high quality, and we already have them. These are 100 bags for under $4. Also, one of my favorite stores, Dollar Tree, we just have some stickers for the bags to create our own patterns. So okay, so speaking of my distaste of some colors, and as you can see here, I know some people love holiday red, so this does have some holiday red stickers. The cookies that are going to go in this bag are going to be chocolate peanut butter. So watch for that video, and if you want to do something a little bit more, I guess the word might be professional looking, you can do a total bag just in the white snowflakes. If you want to do something for a kid, or if you know someone like me, I really love lime green, you could do lime green, blue only. If you know someone who loves red, you could do bows with snowflakes. So I'm going to do 2 bags. Go ahead and get them ready. I'm on my nice clean tile floor, and I'm going to do 1 bag for child and another bag for someone at work. Okay, so for the coworker bag, I'm just going to use snowflakes on this one. And I always learned this from my mom. You always want to do a pattern that is odd. You don't want to have 2 of something, or 4 of something, or 6 of something. You want them to be odd numbers. So on this one, I'm just going to do a mixture of large and small snowflakes, and I'm going to use 5 on this bag. And by the way, these sticker sheets at Dollar Tree were, of course, $1. So I'll do 2 large snowflakes and 1 small. And that one ripped, but it's okay. Easily patch that up. Because these, of course, are just going to be thrown away after the delicious cookies are gone anyway. Okay, there it is. Perfect seam again. So, sticking with the odd pattern, this is going to, of course, have large peanut butter chocolate cookies, so those should show up very well. They're stuck very well on here. Just make sure to press them down, and we have our first treat bag. Okay, on our next treat bag, we are going to do one for a neighborhood kid. So even though we are in Florida, southern Florida, and we're never going to make a snowman, have made a sandman before, I'm going to start out with some colorful stickers. We've got a blue snowman, a green tree. Of course, kids love reindeer, and I do as well. On this one, we will do one of our red bows. And those were all fairly small, so I'm going to do 1 white snowflake. kind of off center. Okay, so these are quick and easy and cheap holiday treat bags. Once again, these are going to be for chocolate peanut butter cookies, so these should show up, all except for maybe the reindeer, should show up well in this background. So be looking for videos on these cookies, as well as a video on edible Christmas decorations. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Like, share, and subscribe.